Need your Ford Transit serviced but are too busy to take it to a dealership? You're not alone. Now, thanks to Ford, dealers will come to you and service the vehicle anywhere you want, from Inverness to Truro. Ford is rolling out the Ford Mobile Service Programme nationwide after a successful trial.
We can do services, we can do warranty work, diagnostics, pretty much everything that's in the dealership that you'd normally get. The benefits of the van is to produce a service for the customer where they don't have to come into the dealership. We actually go out to their premises or businesses and service the vehicles or maintain the vehicles.
All service technicians are Ford qualified, and each van can service up to 4 or 5 vehicles per day, depending on what work is required. Mark Woodworth is Head of Transport and Logistics at Speedy Hire. He manages a fleet of 1,800 vehicles and says Ford Mobile Service saves his business time and money.
Mobile servicing means our vans can be kept on the road for longer, so we can plan maintenance around drivers' breaks or drivers' lunch times. We can plan maintenance at the start or the end of the day, which then means the vans are on the road when we need them to be on the road.
With almost 100 Ford Mobile Service vans working out of Ford dealerships across the UK and Northern Ireland, help is never far away.